Dropshipping is a popular online income right now that has a potential to make you a lot of money. But a mistake a lot of beginners fall into is going into the wrong niche. So in this video, we're going to go over the worst niches you need to avoid and the best ones to be in. So let's just hop straight into it. Okay, let's first start with the niches you need to avoid. And the first one is going to be large appliances. This is anything like tables, refrigerators, computers, anything that's oversized. And the reason you want to stay away from these is it's going to be harder to sell as a beginner, because who is going to be your audience? You're not going to be good enough to find that audience for large appliances. And another reason is the shipping is going to be incredibly high. You can look at shipping to be $40-50 plus for this, so it's going to be very slim margin, if any at all. So just stay away from large appliances. The second one is going to be small accessories. This is probably one of the most popular ones that new dropshippers get into, but it's one of the worst too. The reason being is everyone is trying to sell small accessories, so it's going to be a lot of competition, and it's not going to be anything to set you apart from the competition. Because why would someone want to buy a small accessory like a necklace or a watch from your smaller brand when they can go to a more popular one? So let's just stay away from the small accessories. And the next one is going to be fragile items. With suppliers like AliExpress and ones that really don't take care of the product, who knows how it will arrive when it gets to your customer's house. You're going to have more chargeback, a lot more refunds, and a lot of unhappy customers when you have fragile items, because it's going to break more. So let's just avoid fragile items as well. Okay, the fourth niche you want to avoid is going to be basic essentials. This includes deodorants, lotions, notebooks, because why would someone want to buy from a store online when they can go to their local Walmart or store to buy this item? Buying from you just takes way longer, and because they can buy it from a local store, it's going to definitely hurt your store if you go into basic essentials. And the next one is going to be branded products. It might look like a good idea to sell something from Lego or that's branded by Coca-Cola or anything that's branded, but it's not. Because it's branded, it has a company with it, so you might get away with selling something like that for, you know, a couple months or something, but they're eventually going to find out, and you could get sued for a lot of money if you're selling something that's already branded. So just stay away from branded items, t-shirts, anything of the sort, because you could get sued for a lot of money. Okay, that's the 5 main categories that you want to stay away from as a beginner. It's just going to be way harder to sell, and it's just not worth the trouble. So now let's jump straight into the ones you want to get into as a beginner. The first niche is going to be problem solving items. Most people want to have a problem solved versus comfort. And the reason being is if you can answer someone's problem, they're willing to pay more money. Look how much money people pay in the medical industry to get their problems and health benefits. This is the same way when it comes to other items as well. So let's say someone need a back massager because their back always hurting, or a back scratcher because they always need to scratch their back. Anything that solves them a basic problem or of any sort, they will pay more than the average price for it. So this is why a problem solving item is very good in this situation, and it can become very profitable as well when you can find a decent item that solves somebody's problem. The next niche is going to be the pet niche. If you have anyone with a dog, or I guess a cat, they always gonna spend a little more extra to make their pet happy. This can be for convenience when they're walking a dog and they need to give them a drink of water or a product to help play catch with their pet. Whatever it is, they pay way more too when it comes to their pets to make them feel comfortable. So getting into the pet niche is going to be a go-to as well. Okay, the third niche that you can go into is going to be the baby niche. As long as humans is around, it's going to be babies too. And if you can sell parents to make their baby happier or make their lives easier, they will buy it up. A lot of people don't know about the baby niche too, so it's definitely a good one to get into. Okay, the fourth one is going to be the trending niche. Trending niche is basically anything that's trending, like anything that's cool. This one can fizzle out quick, so it's best to hop on a trend as fast as you can. But when you see a trending item on like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, or any social media platform, you can hop on this and be selling it as well, so you can, you know, make a quick buck off of that product too. But like I said, trending products, you never know when they can go down. They probably last for a couple months. Some can even last up to half a year, but eventually they fade off. But it's definitely easier to start making some quick money with it as well. And the fifth niche is going to be the kitchen niche. Everyone will always be cooking, whether they need knives or skillets, pans, whatever it is, they always going to be cooking, because we love food, especially in America. So when you can get into this niche and find a nice item to sell, you will most definitely be profitable. Okay, the sixth niche that you can get into is going to be eco-friendly products. People love eco-friendly products now, whether it be a water bottle, straws, clothing, anything that's eco-friendly, they buy it up now because of the message that's around it, that you're bettering the earth when you buy products like this. So it's definitely profitable if you can find a decent item that's in an eco-friendly niche and market it as, hey, if you buy this item, you're helping out the environment because we make this out of, you know, some eco-friendly material. I don't know the material, but the material they use is, you know, eco-friendly. So just make sure it is, which is very easy to do when you go onto like Printify or Printful or different suppliers. I'm sure they'll tell you if it's eco-friendly or not. So eco-friendly products are definitely in right now. And the seventh niche to get into is one that will probably always be popular, and that is the fitness niche. Everyone always want to lose a couple more pounds. Everyone wants to always be active, and everyone always wants to achieve their dream body. So if you can sell a product that can help them achieve that goal, they will definitely probably pay a couple of extra dollars to get that, to achieve that goal as well. So the fitness niche will always be in if you can find a nice item in a fitness niche. This can be anything from dumbbells to a nice protein powder to sell, but you got to be careful if you're selling powders and stuff, because you don't want to sell anything to get you in trouble in that niche. Okay, now that we know what niches to avoid and which ones to get into, let's see how to research and find a product now. The way I research my products is simple and it's free for the most part. So let's just get straight into it. Okay, the first way you can find products is by going to TikTok. And no, this does not have to be on your computer. You can be on your phone and do this, and just go up to search accounts and videos and search up Amazon Finds. And another hashtag you can use is TikTok made me buy it. They both have some really nice items you can find within them, and all you have to do is just scroll down and find items you will want to sell. When you search up these hashtags, it's hashtags that's been trending, and it's products that's been trending as well, making people a lot of money. Like this product right here, TikTok made me buy it, and it's basically a product that makes your room smell good from a soda. It has 4.7 million views, and I guarantee you they got at least bare minimum 5,000 sales off of that. And let's say they're making a $10 profit off of that. 5,000 times 10, that's $50,000 without having to spend $1 in ads. That's amazing. So this product probably made a lot of people a lot of money, and it's a lot of products like this too. All you have to do is scroll through and find different products that you will like, and I guarantee you can go to different suppliers like CJ Dropshipping, Doba, and a lot of different suppliers to find these same products as well. Like this one right here, I know you can find this one on CJ. It was trending for a while in 2022, and I'm sure she made a lot of money off of this, or whoever was selling it. So this is a great way to find products that you will want to sell, just by going to TikTok, searching up Amazon Finds and TikTok made me buy it, and see what's trending and see what items you will want to sell. Okay, the next way is by going to Facebook ad library, so you can see different ads that's trending on Facebook and doing good as well. Once you get to this screen, all you have to do is push up Facebook adlibrary.com, and you get here, push up your country that you're in, go to all ads, and let's say we wanted to look for a lava lamp. You just click, you just type that in right here, hit enter, and what Facebook will do is show you ads that has lava lamp in it. It isn't the best sometimes, as you can see. This isn't a lava lamp, it's just trippy lava looking stuff, but right here is a lava lamp. But yeah, just take this one with a grain of salt. Might not show you the best one if it's not that many people searching for the item or have that item on the market. Like as you can see, it's a lava lamp right here, but a lot of them don't have lava lamps. But it's a great way to see what's trending, because you can click see all details, see ad details too, so you can see what's working for them or not, and how good it's going. You can even push buy now to go to their page on Facebook, and it'll show you exactly what's going on with their item. It'll show you how much they're selling it for, what type of description they have, and so it gives you a lot of information as well on Facebook ad library. Okay, and the last method we're going to go over is Big Spy. Big Spy is a paid tool. It costs $10 per month. They show you different featured ads, Facebook pages, charts, and they even give you ad ideas on here, but it is a paid tool. I think it costs like 10 or 20 bucks per month, so it's not too bad. And as you can see, the best and cheapest ad spy, so like I said, they're pretty cheap, and they have information on all of the popular social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest. And as you can see, big names use it like Neil Patel, if you know who that is, Adam, Brian, APT Software. So it's a big website that a lot of people use. So if you wanted to go the pay route to get a lot of data from a lot of different sides, then using Big Spy would be beneficial to you. Okay, and that right there is the drop shipping niches I stay away from, the ones I go straight into, and how I find my products. I hope this was able to help you so you can hopefully stay away from them bad drop shipping niches and be in the good ones and find a decent product on TikTok. That's my favorite method to go into, and it's free and it shows you real data to see what products are trending in real time. So that's a very nice method to use when you're trying to find a good product. So I hope this helped you out, and until next time.